model, 2008 Ford Transit Connect T200 L75 runs and drives great, ready to drive and work. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 99,397. MOT, the 5th of June 2025. Engine, 1753 cc DURATORQ TDCI, E455K. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,